Utilize workflows to automate metadata updates or the creation of approvals. To create a new workflow, click this button in the top right corner. This workflow is available across all workspaces by default. If you want to change that, navigate to the Details tab and deselect any unwanted workspaces. Also, add a name under this tab. Return to the Builder tab to begin constructing your workflow. Choose when you would like this workflow to run. It can be done by clicking any Run Workflow button in your workspace, or automatically whenever a file is uploaded to the selected workspaces. The most common trigger is on click. Click the plus icon below to add an action. Here is where you will choose between creating an approval or updating file metadata. Most of the time, workflows are utilized to create approvals. Click Add Group to include users in the first approval stage. You can add individual users or groups of users you have created in your user management settings. Use a custom stage name or pick from the standardized stage names you've added to your approval settings. Add multiple stages if you would like. Note that approvals happen in parallel for users within the same stage. However, the workflow advances through stages sequentially. Once everyone in the last stage approves, you can automatically release the associated files. This will change the ECO or revision status from approved to released, so you don't have to manually release and close the approval. You can further customize your workflow by adding conditions if you want to create a new path based on the results of a specific approval. You can also add conditions to make the path depend on certain metadata or revision attribute values. For example, varying the approvers based on the category of the CAD design. For workflows created with the on-click trigger, you can run it on individual files from the right-click context menu, as well as directly from an ECO.